What is end behavior? You have this question. That's why you're watching this video. End behavior is exactly what it sounds like. What is the behavior at the end of the graph? Not in the middle, at the end. So end behavior is what happens at the end of the graph. So it's important to know the notation. And in order to know the notation, you have to remember which way infinity and negative infinity is, whether it's responding to the corresponding to the x or the y. So in relation to the x, we know that as we move to the right, the x values get bigger and bigger and bigger. So when we're talking about going to the right, we're talking about positive infinity, right? And if we're going to the left, we're talking about negative infinity. Ooh, negative infinity. So as x goes to the left, it's going to negative infinity. As x goes to the right, it's going to positive infinity. It's important because that's how we begin describing our end behavior for every single graph. So as x goes to or approaches negative infinity, we want to know, what does y do? So this means as x goes to the left, does y go up or does it go down? And so there will be a corresponding, if it's up, it'll be infinity, and if it's down, it'll be negative infinity. Okay? Also, as x approaches positive infinity, or as x goes to the right, what happens, excuse me, what happens to y? Does y go up or does it go down? Okay. So it's a little bit difficult to kind of recognize at first, but you always begin with both of these. Remember, graphs always go to the left or right, but they don't always go up or down. So let's take a look at an example. All right, so identify the end behavior of this graph. All right, so we begin with as x approaches negative infinity. So as x goes to the left, what does the graph do? So if we're going left, the graph goes down, right? So down, y values get smaller and smaller, so y also goes to negative infinity. This says as x goes to the left, y goes down. All right. Now, as x goes to positive infinity, where does y go? So as x is going to the right, so as it's going this way, the graph is going up. So that means our y values are going to continuously get bigger, and therefore our y also goes to positive infinity. Alright, so see if you can eyeball this one and see what you think the y does. As x goes to the left, or as x goes to negative infinity, so the graph is going left, the graph goes up. Y values get bigger when they go up, so it's positive infinity. Wow. That doesn't look so good, does it? Positive infinity. As x gets bigger, as it's going to the right, does the y go up or does it go down? Y goes up, so it also goes to positive infinity.